Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we are going to start the new chapter, Jugs and Mugs. Basically, this is the chapter related to measure the capacity of the liquid thing or okay. So jugs and mugs, right? These are the two things in which we are going to carry some water, some juice, tea, coffee, etc., right? And these are the things related to the liquid things, right? We can generally store the liquid things in this. So you guess correct, this chapter is about the measuring the capacity of the liquid thing, calculate the capacities of the liquid thing. So let's begin with this. Here is a story. Bunny and Banu celebrate their wedding anniversary. Do you remember the wedding in Bunny's family last year? See Math Magic Class 3 page number this. Okay, and Bunny and Banu decided to have party 1 year after their wedding. Okay, can you see that the party atmosphere over here in a jungle? They invited their family and friends. They made a special sweet dish, kheer. All the animals come running, hopping, and even crawling. Okay, सब animals ऐसे ऐसे आ रहे थे. Here is a bunny and Bano, right? And the elephant is drinking 50 liter of kheer, right? Elephant कितनी खीर खा रहा है? 50 liters. And the giraffe is drinking blank. Cow is drinking blank liters. Then came the squirrel. She said, I can't drink a 1 liter of kheer. Please give me only 500 milliliters, right? तो यहाँ पर देखो, जैसे जैसे एनिमल्स की साइज है उस हिसाब से वो खीर खाते हैं, ठीक है। ये स्क्विरल मतलब बहुत छोटा सा होता है, इतना छोटा, दिस इज अ स्क्विरल, सॉरी, या इट्स वेरी वेरी स्मॉल, राइट, एनिमल। सो वो 50 मिलीलीटर खीर खाता है। द डोंकी आस्क्ड 500 मिलीलीटर ऑफ खीर, इजंट दैट मोर देन अ लीटर? तो डोंकी ने पूछा, ये 1 लीटर से ज़्यादा है? तो फॉक्स बोल रहा है, द फॉक्स सेड, कम ऑन, डोंट बिहेव लाइक अ डोंकी, 1 liter is 1000 milliliter, so 500 milliliter is half a liter, वो हाफ लीटर है। Look at the next page. The story has continued. The frog hopped along with their 9 other friends. He said, oh, we are only want 100 milliliter each. बोले हमें so 100 each चाहिए. Okay, here is your kheer, said the cat while serving the kheer. She took 10 glasses and poured 100 ml kheer in each glass, right? हर एक glass में वो 100 ml डाल रही है. The donkey looked confused and asked, 10 glasses of 100 ml each. How much is that? वो कितना हुआ? तो clever fox फिर से बोला. The fox got another chance to show off. He said, that's simple. 10 times 100 milliliter is 1000 milliliter and it's equal to 1 liter. So now you write it like this. 10 multiplied by 100 milliliter is equal to 1000 ml. Now look, a group of ants is marching here. And the grasshopper said, we are late. The kheer is finished now. What can we do? The cat said sadly. अभी हम क्या करें? इतने सारे ants आ गए. Turn your page. The story is continued. Don't worry, they won't drink much. Each of them will take only 1 milliliter. That is all. I will share my kheer with them, the elephant said, and wiped the cat's tear with his ear. How many are you all together? The elephant asked. We are only 1000, said the ant. The cat said, oh no, 1000. उसको लगा बहुत ज़्यादा खीर चाहिए. But we have to give kheer to 1000 ant. After thinking, the elephant said, no problem, I can manage. वो बहुत ही बिग हार्टेड था, तो उसने बोला मैं मैनेज कर लूँगा. Each ant drink 1 milliliter of kheer. So 1 multiplied by 1000 is 1000 milliliter. So 1000 ant drink 1000 multiplied by 1 milliliter is equal to 1000 milliliter and is equal to 1 liter. They will need the same as the 10 frogs, said the donkey. Donkey ने relate किया, जितना frog को चाहिए उतना ही ants को भी चाहिए. All the ants drank the kheer and everyone was happy. They sang and danced to celebrate the wedding anniversary. सब लोगों ने मिलके खीर खाया and they are celebrating like this. Okay, so what will we had learned from the story? We had learned that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, and in this chapter we had learned about the addition and multiplication and subtraction and of the liquid things, right? So let's begin with this. Next is page number 73, where you will find out this: who can have 1 liter kheer? किसके पास 1 liter kheer हो सकती है? Do you like kheer? What do you call it at your home? Definitely we all call this kheer or rice pudding English में बोलते हैं. How much kheer you have? At least I can eat 1 bowl, right? If I really like 1.5 or 2 bowls. Can you drink 1 liter at a home at one time? I think I can't. I can drink only 2 ml, 200 ml or 300 ml, not more than that. I think I can drink 1 liter, she said. और ये बॉय बोल रहा है I can drink 400 ml. So ये सब अपना guess कर रहे हैं. The donkey is trying to look for different way to add up 1 liter. Help him complete the chart. यहाँ पे एक डोंकी है, उसको 1 लीटर बनाना है, कुछ भी करके 1 लीटर खीर बनाना है. तो here the different combination of the milliliters make 1 liter. 500 ml, 250 ml, 250 ml. See, 250 is 500, 500 plus 500, 100, 1000. So 1 liter. Here is 450 ml plus 550 ml. 400 plus 500, 900 plus 50 plus 50, 100. So it's a 1000 ml. 500 ml plus 500 ml is 1000 ml. 800 ml plus 200 ml is 1000 ml. So 1 liter. 100, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. So this is also 1 liter. 750 plus 150, 800, 900 and 1000. It is also 1000 liters. So these are the different combination of 1 liter kheer, right? Now turn your page number 74, where you will find out this. Look around. Look at this picture. Now look for some other things you get in a packet of bottle like this. Make your own list. Right now you have to look around your life, right? There are so many things which are comes in the liquid form, and they are coming in a different packaging, right? Which are the things you have to think about it, like shampoos, like milk, like ink, फिर क्या है, oil, and so many things, right? Things are comes in a packaging, bottle or any kind of bag packaging. So you have to write down the name of the things and how many liter or milliliter will come in that particular packaging, that you have to write down. So this would be finished in the homework. Next is my little bottle. Okay, have you seen 1 liter water bottle? Collect a 1 liter bottle and some other small bottles, right? Guess how many times you have to pour from each of the small bottle to fill the liter bottle. ये 1 लीटर का बॉटल है. जो आप छोटी सी बॉटल आप सिलेक्ट करते हो, कितनी बॉटल्स डालोगे तो ये 1 लीटर का बॉटल फिल होता है, वो आपको देखना है. नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 75. Here you have to fill one table, right? Check if your guess is correct and fill the table. This thing would be done by yourself. यहाँ पे आपको guess लगना है और एक्चुअल मेजरमेंट भी लिखना है। 1 बॉटल है, मैंने गेस किया कि 100 ml, तो वो 100 ml का होता है। 2 बॉटल्स है तो 500 ml, तो उसका होता है। लाइक दैट यू हैव टू guess and write down the correct measurement over here. This thing would be done in the homework. Now look at the Adidhyan is saying, I poured 2 small bottle of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. Okay, उसने बोला ये ऐसी 2 बॉटल मैं डाल रहा हूँ, ठीक है। Then how much water does his small bottle hold? So look at here, I have done this thing. See, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. पहले तो ये equation है, you have to remember that. Number of small bottles are 2. So small bottles capacity is 1000 liter divided by 2 is equal to 500 ml. So what is the capacity of the small bottle? The capacity of the small bottle is 500 ml, and he has poured the 2 small bottle to fill the 1 liter of the bottle, right? Next, Lena fills the 1 liter bottle and she needed to pour water 5 times from the small bottle. So how much water does Leela's small bottle can hold? So first of all, 1 liter of the bottle has been given. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So number of small bottles is equal to 5. So small bottles capacity is 1000 divided by 5 is 200 ml. So what is the capacity of the small bottle? 200 ml. So that we can pour it 5 times in a 1 liter of bottle. So it will be filled till the end. Okay. Next we had solved till this. Now Ramu's measuring bottle. यहाँ पे रामू की measuring bottle के बारे में बताया गया है. See, Ramu got an empty 250 ml coconut oil bottle. उसको ऐसा एक छोटा सा empty bottle मिला. Now look at the picture and discuss what he did to make this big measurement bottle. अभी उसको ये बड़ा सा measurement bottle बनाना है, तो वो कैसे करेगा? तो पहले वो क्या करेगा? दिस इज द बॉटल ऑफ 250, तो 1000 ml को 250 ml से डिवाइड करेगा, सो ही विल गेट द 4 आंसर, राइट? तो उसको 4 आंसर मिलेगा। मतलब वो बड़ी सी बॉटल को पहले भी 250 ml पॉर करेगा, मार्क करेगा, देन आफ्टरवर्ड ही पॉर द 2 बॉटल्स और मार्क करेगा, वो हो जाएगा 500 ml. देन ही पॉर द 3 बॉटल्स ऑफ दिस and he marked 750 ml, and then he poured the 4th bottle and he marked the 1 liter. So this way he will increase the measurement of the bottle. Okay, I hope you all have clear over here. Next, on the next page number 76, where you will find out this, my measuring bottle, right? So find your own way to make a bottle which can measure 200 ml, 400 ml, 600 ml, 800 ml and 1 liter. तो definitely यहाँ पे देखो the differences between the two measurement is 200 ml. So we can easily take it 5 times. तो यहाँ पे 100 ml divide by 200 ml, right? So 5 is the answer. So what will you do here? In a 1 bottle, first you will pour the 200 ml of water, then mark it 200 ml. Then next ऐसे बिल्कुल सेम वैसे ही करना है, यहाँ पे 200 ml लिख दिया. Then again you will pour the second bottle, so it will become 400 ml. Again you will pour the third bottle, then it becomes 600 ml. Again you will pour the one more bottle, it becomes 800 ml, and lastly you will add the 200 ml of the bottle, then it becomes the 1000 ml. So this way you can make your measuring bottle like this. Now guess and check. Look at the bucket, mugs, glasses and the other things in your houses. Guess how much water has been held. Check if your guess is right by using the measuring bottle. See, we have already created this measuring bottle. Using that you can easily measure, right? ये for example this is a mug, हमने guess किया था 100 ml, लेकिन यहाँ का measurement मिला 600 ml. See, this thing would be done in the homework. ये पूरा practical activity है. You will make your own measuring bottle and do this activity by yourself. Look at the next page, page number 77. Neetu in a hospital, right? So Neetu has to take 3 injection in a day for 5 days. उसको 5 days तक 3 injections लेने हैं. How much medicine will she need for 1 day? एक दिन के लिए उसको कितनी medicine चाहिए होगी? तो देखो, she has to take 3 injection in a day for 5 days. एक दिन में उसको 3 injection लेना है. What is the quantity for the 1 injection? 1 injection give the 5 ml of the medicine to your body. And I'm not afraid of the injections, he said to the doctor. So एक दिन में कितनी है? 500 ml, right? एक इंजेक्शन में, तो 3 इंजेक्शन में कितना होगा? उसका 3 times होगा. So 15 ml is the medicine would be given to her in a day. So in a 5 day, 15 5s are 75 ml. So this much of medicine would be entered in her body till the 5 days. Okay, so this way we are counting the quantity of the liquid thing, right? Next, how much do we use at a time? एक टाइम में हम कितना यूज़ कर सकते हैं? आई ड्रॉप वी यूजेस लेस देन 1 ml एट अ टाइम. ईयर ड्रॉप्स है, वी यूजेस लेस देन 1 ml एट अ टाइम. मोबाइल क्लीनर है तो 2 ml का यूज़ करेंगे. सेलाइन ड्रॉप मतलब साबु वाला लिक्विड, लूज यूजिंग 1 ml एट अ टाइम. एक बूंद लेते हैं हम लोग विम का और पूरे बर्तन हमारे साफ हो जाते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द वे वी आर यूजिंग द लिक्विड. यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट डाउन एनी ऑफ द थिंग. आप शैम्पू भी यूज़ कर लिख सकते हो, आप ऑयल भी, कुकिंग ऑयल भी लिख सकते हो. एक टाइम में एक सब्जी में आप कितना ऑयल डालते हो. सो यू विल एक्सप्लोर योर थॉट्स एंड राइट डाउन द एग्जाम्पल एज पर योर थॉट्स. Okay, these are some examples only. List the things we use more than 1 liter at a time. ज़्यादा 1 लीटर से ज़्यादा हम यूज़ करते हैं ऐसे टाइम पे ऐसी चीज़ों को. तो वाटर फॉर कुकिंग, वाटर फॉर बाथिंग, वाटर फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, राइट. हम एक साथ में अगर बहुत ज़्यादा प्यास लगे 1 बॉटल तक पानी पी जाते हैं. सो वी कैन राइट डाउन दैट. वाटर फॉर वाटरिंग प्लांट्स, राइट. Water for washing utensil. Yes, in that case we are using more than 1 liter of the water at one time. Now turn your page, page number 78, where we will find out some of the word problem. So please look at here in the notebook. Amina's water bottle hold 1 liter of water and she drank 250 ml of water and her friend Govind drank 150 ml. Then how much water is left in her bottle? The capacity of Amina's bottle is equal to 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So total water drank by Amina and Govind is equal to 250 ml plus 150 ml, so which is 400 ml. So water left in Amina's bottle is equal to 1000 ml minus 400 ml, so 600 ml is the answer. So this is the way you will write down. ये एग्जाम में अगर ऐसा वर्ड प्रॉब्लम आता है, you have to write down show with all the statements, right? ये लिखना compulsory है सबके लिए. Now number 2, Yusuf run a tea shop and for making a glass of tea he used 20 ml of milk, and yesterday he made 100 glasses of tea. So how much milk did he use? So quantity needed for making 1 glass of tea is equal to 200 ml. Then quantity needed for making 100 glasses of tea is equal to 20 ml multiplied by 100, so 2000 ml. 1000 ml means 1 liter, then 2000 ml means 2 liter. Now number 3, Radha's grandma was ill. The doctor gave her a bottle with 200 ml of medicine and she has to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. Then how much milliliter of medicine does she have to take every morning? यहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या करना है? We have to find out the quantity of the medicine which would she take every morning. So total quantity of the medicine is 200 ml. Time duration to take the medicine is 10 days. 10 days तक लेना है तो उसको divide by 10 कर देंगे. तो quantity of the medicine to take every morning is 200 ml divided by 10 days is equal to 20 ml. So every day in the morning she has to take 20 ml of the medicine. Okay, so this is the way we can solve the word problems. See, now look at the next page, page number 79, water. The table shows the water used in one day by a family of 5 people. यहाँ पर ये टेबल है और इसमें एक दिन में पूरी फैमिली ने कितना पानी यूज़ किया है उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन है, in which activities, right? So total water used by the family has 165 liter. See, you can show it by like this. Total water used by the family of 5 people is this. उसका सबका addition करो and you will get the answer. Next, how many liters of water does your family in a day use in a day, and guess and fill the table. आपको टेबल यहाँ पे एक्टिविटी लिखनी है, आपका गैस बकेट्स में और लीटर्स में आपको दोनों में लिखना है. So this activity would be done by yourself in the homework. So explore your thoughts. Drops and drops make an ocean. Is there any tap in your school or your home which is leaking? How much water do you think we waste through a leaking tap? अब है गैस करना कितना जाएगा. For example, यहाँ पर हम ले रहे हैं 10 ml. Okay. So place your little jar below the leaking tap so that you can catch all the drops in the bottle. Note the time. After 1 hour, check how much water is in the bottle. हम लोग यहाँ पे हम ले रहे हैं कि 10 ml जितना वाटर वेस्ट हो रहा है इन अ डे. ओके, एक मिनट में 10 ml वेस्ट हो रहा है. तो अभी हम करेंगे उसका काउंटिंग करेंगे. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10 वेस्ट थ्रू द लीकिंग टैप. सो हाउ मच वाटर इज वेस्टेड इन वन डे. तो एक दिन में वो कितना होगा. तो वन डे इज इक्वल टू 24 आवर्स. सो 10 ml इंटू 24 240 ml of the water has been waste during the day. Now next is how much water is waste in a week. See here, 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 240 ml multiplied by 7 days is equal to 1680 ml, which is 1000 ml plus 600 ml. 680 ml, right? So 1000 ml means 1 liter. So 1 liter 680 ml. How much water is wasted in a month? राइट. तो एक महीने में कितना होगा. एक महीने में 30 डेज है तो 1 लीटर में 1000 ml भी है. सो लेट्स डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 240 ml विच इज़ वेस्टेड इन वन डे मल्टीप्लाई बाय 30 डेज 7200 ml. सो विच इज 7000 ml प्लस 200 ml. 1000 ml 1 liter, 7000 ml 7 liter. So this is 7000 ml, sorry 7 liter and 200 ml. How much water is wasted in a year? 1 year is equal to 365 days. So 240 ml multiplied by 365 days, which is 87,600 ml. यहाँ पे बहुत easily हम लोग कर रहे हैं. 87,000 ml plus 600 ml, which is 87 liter and 600. And here is the last puzzle that would be solved by yourself. Try to solve it by yourself. So this is it for this session. Next time we will do more and we are going to solve the workbook. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.